Michael from RVs of America. Our table here sometimes is a little struggle to get into. This is on the HQ15. As you can see, I'm 6'1". My knees are in it or around it or somewhere bumping into these legs. It's not terrible, to be honest, but it isn't the best either. So when I run into something that's not the best, I have to change that and make it better, because that's what we do at RVs America. We are all about progress and making things better than they were. And so I want to make this table lose all of these legs so I can get in and out a lot better. So that's what we're going to be doing today in this upgrade. And I will show you what I've done. What's interesting about this upgrade is it actually makes you do an extra upgrade. It kind of it's a double whammy, I guess, which is great. So you get two upgrades out of one on this guy here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. We'll go out and check out the finished product. Okay, I'm done. Check it out. There is no legs at all, period. No more legs.
Come on, then.
What have you done with me legs?
Very nice. So, what we've done is we have made a floating table, which is way nicer. Lots more room for legs, and it's got some adjustability on top of just being a floating, so it actually can swivel back and forth. So now I can get closer, get that food in real quick, or I can push it away. So it's way easier to get in and out and around it. So lots of adjustability there, and you can tighten it down so it doesn't move. And then it also has another, for those that are taller or shorter, the whole table can actually move up and down with these adjustments on here. Let's see if I'm good enough to do this. So now it's loosened up. Now I can bring the table up higher. I don't know if I'd ever need it that high, but you can go up higher, and we can go a lot lower too, which is awesome for all heights and sizes of people. And then that adjustability back and forth is nice, so I can get it way closer and things like that. So super cool little features and things that has, that ability to move around, and then adjustability, right? But the best part, there is no more leg problems in this upgrade. You do lose the ability to turn this into a bed, but in the HQ15 is tiny anyway, so having that bed option really isn't used that much by most people. So getting rid of those legs is better, because this table's a lot smaller than like in the HQ19. The HQ19 is 10 inches bigger, which also means there's more room to get your legs in and out, so it's not as of a big deal to do a floating table on that compared to this. So I absolutely love this. It makes it so much nicer, way more comfortable. And then some other points that were brought up, like it's easier to clean. There's no legs to sweep around or get around. That makes it easier. So just a silly thing for cleaning is nicer. And I'm sure there's other benefits you could find on it too. But that's the biggest part, is getting some space and some adjustability. So I love that a lot. And like I said, though, there is another upgrade that we had to do, because for this to have enough support, we had to add some support on the outside. But instead of just adding useless support, we added a universal support. So let's go out and check out what that bonus upgrade is.
Cool.
Look at this. Everybody wants a place to mount their recovery tracks. Here it is.
Nice.
So right on the opposite side of this is the table, the floating table. And so that actually comes and bolts all the way through to the exterior wall. And it needed some extra support, so we've added these rail racks. And they're adjustable. You can see each ring has a spot, so I can actually move these rings around. So I can, and add more rings, so I can hang different types of things. And then I added an extra one here. So now we got 3 different slots and rings you can hook everything onto. So for example, perfect for these guys, you can hook that all up and put your recovery tracks on there. You can put a shovel attached to it, an axe. I mean, just about anything you can think of, you could probably hang from here. So super cool addition, which gives support for that floating table. So that's the bonus upgrade that you get when you do the floating table. So you're gonna get both of those when you do the floating table. Or if you want, you can just do these racks. And these racks, we can install them anywhere on the trailer. So we can do them long-wise or the kind of the shorter way this way, and we can put them on the sides or the back. There's a lot, wherever you want it, we can put it. But for the floating table specifically, that gives extra support, so that's why we have it here. So fantastic upgrade. Really makes the room in there by the table a lot better, a little more usable with adjustments, and it saves you from bashing a knee. So thank you for watching our videos. We love bringing you upgrade videos, adventure videos, and anything in between. That is what we're all about here at RVs America, is improving and sharing and trying to bring as much value as we can. And so hopefully this will be valuable for you. If not, thank you for watching anyways. And until next time we see you out on the trail or see you here at RVs of America, have a fantastic day.